Hi, good morning to everyone. Now, in this series, we are doing PYQs, previous year questions, starting with the topic binomial theorem. Because this is the one of the topic which is very important, and the questions are coming from this topic directly. So I choose to solve all PYQs in this up to 25. And I consider the sample around 20 years. Okay. I think it's a biggest sample, 20 years. And one more thing, whenever you are observing this video or watching this video, take pen and paper and try yourself to solve the question along with me. Okay, that's the one of the thing I want to suggest to you. Okay, let's get back to the video. So here you can see the main thing in the problem. Let's select white color. I think this black color will not affect your eyes. That's why I choose the background as black color. So first write solution. Understand the problem first. Here you can see sigma. R is a dummy variable and it is 0 to 5. And 11C 2r plus 1 divided by 2r plus 2. Whenever you see this denominator means whenever you see the denominator, it means it reflects to do integration. Okay, understood? Means we are going to do integration. So to whom to do integration? So take the general expression, consider 1 plus x whole power. Look at the value of n. Here you can see that. How much is that? It is 11. So take 11, whole power 11. And you know how to expand this one. 1 plus x whole power 11. What we generally wrote. 11c 0 plus 11c 1 x power 1. 11c 2 x power 2. And at last, that's enough, right? That the terms are enough. So I am approaches to last. 11c 11 x power 11. And this expansion, I'm going to do integration with respect to x under the limits 0 to 1. Okay. Integrating, or if you know the result, directly you can write. I will tell you both. Integrating with respect to x from 0 to 1. Both sides, okay? I didn't mention both sides there. Integral 0 to 1, 1 plus x whole power 11 under dx is equal to each and every term will be integrated under the limits and dx, okay? Just give me, it will take 1 minute. 0 to 1, 11c 2x square and so on. And at last 0 to 1, 11c 11. If you want, you can make fast forward a little bit. Now, so you know that integral rules. In class 12, you learned these formulas. 1 plus x whole power 11 is 1 plus x whole power 12 divided by 12 under the limits 0 to 1. Okay. and is equal to 11C0. Integral 1 is, we know that it is x under limit 0 to 1, and 11C1 and the integral part is x square by 2 under limit 0 to 1, and 11C2 x cube by 3 0 to 1, and so on, and 11C11 x power 12 by 12 under limits 0 to 1. Let's substitute, apply the limits here. So it will be 2 power 12 when you substitute upper limit x value 1. 2 power 12 minus divided by 12 minus upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is 1 by 12. Okay, 11C0 will keep this same, and 1 minus 0. Okay, plus here also we do the same, 11C1. Of course, we will keep this 2 here, and 1 square minus 0 square. Okay, plus 11C2 divided by 3, this 3 here. Okay, x cube means 1 cube minus 0 cube, plus and so on, plus 11C11 upon 12, and this is 1 power 12 minus 0 power 12. Okay, understood? So this is 2 power 12 minus 1 by 12 equal to 11C0 plus 11C1 by 2 plus 11C2 by 3 and so on, plus 11C11 upon 12. Okay, say it is equation 1. And again, we will do the same procedure, and under the limits minus 1 to 0. Okay, minus 1 to 0. Fine. I am directly writing that step. Okay. So 1 plus x whole power 12 by 12 under limits minus 1 to 0 equal to 11C0 x under limits minus 1 to 0. Okay, that means I took again 1 plus x whole power 11 expansion, and then I integrated, but under the limits this time minus 1 to 0. Okay, 11C1 by 2 x square under limits minus 1 to 0. 11C2 by 3 x cube under limits minus 1 to 0, and so on. 11C11 by 12 x power 12 under limits minus 1 to 0. Okay, here substitute the upper limit. 1 by 12 minus 0. Okay, 11C0 upper limit minus lower limit. Fine, understood. 11C1 by 2, 0 square minus 1 square, plus 11C2 by 3, 0 cube minus 1 cube, and so on, plus 11C11 by 12, 0 power 12 minus 1 power 12. Okay. So 1 by 12 equal to 11C0. This is 1. But this one is minus 1. Okay. Minus 11C1 by 2. You can do the calculation here. Okay. Understood? Minus. Plus 11C2 by 3. It will be a plus. And so on. Since it is 11C11, it should be negative. Okay, take this is a second equation, and we will do 1 minus 2. first equation minus second equation. If you perform first equation minus second equation, once we will check the first equation, look at that. 2 power 12 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 12 equal to, if you are subtracting, what is getting cancelled? This 11C0 cancelled with this 11C0, and this will be plus, because we are subtracting minus half minus plus. So double time, every number will be double and odd numbers left with even denominator, okay? So next value should be 11C3, okay? 11C3 and divided by 4. Fine, look at cancel, you can check here. This is plus and this is minus, got cancel, and so on. And what is the last number? Last number will be existed. 11C11 by 12. Okay. And we will perform LCM here in the right hand side. And it will be 2 power 12 minus 2 equal to 2 times of 11C1 by 2 plus 11C3 by 4 plus and so on plus 11C11 by 12. Okay. The right hand side, now check the problem. Can you expand the values? Can you substitute 0 here? Okay, we will expand the sigma notation. Sigma r is equal to 0 to 5. 11C 2r plus 1 divided by 2r plus 2. Substitute r value 0. So 11C 1 by 2 plus 11C 3 by 4 if it is 1. Okay. Next 11C 5, if you substitute 2 in the place of r, it will be 6 and so on. What is the last number? 5, right? 5 to the 10 and 11. So 11C11 upon this is 12. So this was already we seen here. And here you can cancel this 2 one time. 2 power 11 minus 1 by 12 equal to, this is sigma r is equal to 0 to 5. 11C 2r plus 1 divided by 2r plus 2. Okay, this is the problem. So now the question is, how much is 2 power 11? 2 power 10, we already know it is 1024, and multiplying one more time, we will get 2048 minus 1 means 2047 divided by 12. So there is no cancellation of these numbers. So it will be according to the problem, it is m and this is n. Let me take a look at it again. Okay. And m minus n he's asking. Okay. M minus n means 2047, 12 subtracted. So 5, 3, 20, 35. 20, 35. This is the answer of this question. Hope you understood. If you like the solution explanation, like, subscribe, and give a comment, and also share with your friends. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.